Welcome to your workout techniques. Here we're going to move on from theory to practice. I am going to demonstrate certain workouts in a way that should be done properly later on in the following classes. Up until now, we have explored why fitness and wellness matter and the principles of exercise science, and how training variables like sets, reps, and progression work. Now it's time to apply that knowledge into real movement. This module here is designed to give you practical skills you will need to understand and perform the most important categories of the exercises: strength training, cardiovascular training, flexibility and mobility, and the functional training. Before you dive into the videos of the short demonstrations, let's pause on why technique is everything. Proper form ensures safety. Many injuries come not from the exercise itself, but from how it's performed. Correct movements maximize efficiency, so you can actually target the muscles and the systems you are intending to work on. Technique builds confidence. When you know you are moving correctly, you can train harder and progress faster. Research constantly shows that when people learn the correct techniques early on, they are far more likely to stick with the exercise and for long duration and avoid setbacks. Let's look briefly at the 4 training categories you'll find in the videos below. 1 is strength training. These are exercises like squats, push-ups, and rows. They build muscle, improve bone density, and increase metabolic health. Strength is also the foundation of functional independence as we age. The other ones that you will see is cardiovascular trainings. Cardio includes anything that elevates your heart rate: jumping jacks, jogging, sprint intervals. Cardio strengthens the heart and lungs, improves endurance, and helps regulate stress and mood. The third category is flexibility and mobility, which you will see in the videos demonstrating, which seems like a yoga-inspired flow. It can be also simple stretching or joint mobility work. These exercises reduce stiffness, improve posture, and lower the risk of injury. So I suggest that you apply them before the workouts and at the end of the workouts for cooling down. Mobility keeps your body moving smoothly, and not just during the workouts, but in everyday life. Last but not least is the functional trainings that you'll watch. These mimic real-life movements like lunges, carries, or rotations. Functional training develops coordination, balance, and strength in ways that directly support daily activities and athletic performances. In the sessions below, you will see individual videos for each exercise. Here's how I recommend you to approach them. Watch first, then try. Look closely at the body positioning, breathing, and the tempo. Start slow. It's better to perform 5 high-quality reps than 20 sloppy ones. Listen to your body. If something feels painful, not just challenging, pause and adjust. And practice consistently. The goal isn't perfection on day 1, but gradual improvement. Each video is short, around 1 minute, so you can revisit them anytime as a reference where designing workouts for yourself or your clients. To sum up, this module is about bridging the gap between knowledge and movement. By watching, practicing, and applying those techniques, you will not only improve your own fitness, but also gain the confidence to coach and guide others safely and effectively. Now, go ahead and dive into the demo videos below. Start with the strength training section, and then explore cardio, flexibility, and functional training. Take your time, repeat as often as you need, and remember, progress comes from consistency and attention to detail.